Hi students, welcome. Today we discuss the 12th standard chemistry lesson hydroxy compounds and ether. Topic preparation of phenols. In the last video discussed classification of phenols and preparation of phenols from haloarenes Dow process. In its continuation, today we discuss preparation of phenols from other methods. First one method, preparation of phenols from benzene sulfonic acid. So benzene is sulfonated with oleum and the benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Then the benzene sulfonic acid is heated with molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin, gives sodium penoxide. Then the sodium penoxide on acidification gives phenol. Okay. So 3 to 4 stages. First one, benzene is treated with the oleum, form benzene sulfonic acid. This process, sulfonation process. Okay, benzene is sulfonated with the oleum, benzene sulfonic acid is formed. Okay, then the benzene sulfonic acid is heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at a 623 Kelvin. Sodium penoxide is formed. Okay, then after the sodium penoxide, which on acidification with the any one mineral acid, gives phenol. Now discuss the reaction for this method for equation. So benzene is converted into benzene sulfonic acid, which on the treatment of oleum. Okay, so benzene sulfonic acid, benzene ring SO3H. Okay, benzene sulfonic acid is heated with the molten sodium hydroxide at 623 Kelvin. Sodium penoxide is formed. Sodium penoxide is formed. Sodium penoxide. Then the sodium penoxide, which on acidification with any one mineral acid, for example hydrochloric acid, gives phenol. Okay, so phenol molecular formula C6H5OH. Structural formula is seen in display. Okay, then next one method, preparation of phenols from aniline. Okay, so aniline is diazoated. So diazoated means azo group N. Okay, N group, azo group. Diazoated means N double bond N group. Okay, so aniline பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த NH2 அமீன் குரூப் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதில் ஹைட்ரஜன் ரிமூவ் பண்ணிவிட்டு NCl வந்து ஆட் ஆகும். ஓகேங்களா, ஸோ N டபுள் பாண்ட் NCl. ஸோ அந்த ஷேஃபுக்கு வந்து பார்த்திங்கன்னா பென்சின் ரிங்கில் ஆட் ஆகும். அதை நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், பென்சின் டைசோனியம் குளோரைடு சொல்லுவோம். ஓகேங்களா, ஓகே. ஸோ அனிலின் இஸ் diazoated with nitrous acid, HNO2, nitrous acid. So the mixture of sodium nitrate and hydrochloric acid produce nitrous acid. Okay, right. So aniline is diazoated with nitrous acid at 273 to 278 Kelvin, gives benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, C6H5N2Cl, benzene diazonium chloride. Then the benzene diazonium chloride, which on further treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid, gives phenol. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride for treatment with hot water in the presence of mineral acid gives phenol. Okay, then now discuss equation for this reaction. aniline C6H5NH2. Structural formula is shown in display. Aniline diazoated with a nitrous acid at a 273 to 278 Kelvin gives benzene diazonium chloride. Okay, benzene diazonium chloride. So aniline diazoated with a nitrous acid gives benzene diazonium chloride C6H5N2Cl. Benzene diazonium chloride. Then the benzene diazonium chloride which on treatment with hot water in the presence of any one mineral acid, for example hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, okay, gives phenol. Okay, so benzene diazonium chloride which on treatment with the hot water in the presence of mineral acid gives phenol. Then next one method from cumin. Okay, fourth one method, preparation of phenols from cumin. Okay, so this method is fourth one method. So a mixture of benzene and propene is heated at 523 Kelvin in a closed vessel in the presence of H3PO4 catalyst. Okay, phosphoric acid catalyst gives cumin. Okay, cumin isopropyl benzene. So isopropyl benzene is the cumin. Okay, then the cumin further treated with the, on passing air to a mixture of cumin and 5% aqueous sodium hydroxide, 5% aqueous sodium carbonate solution, cumin hydroperoxide is formed by oxidation. Okay, so oxidation of cumin on passing air to a mixture of cumin and 5% aqueous solution of sodium carbonate. Cumin is oxidized into cumin hydroperoxide. Then the cumin hydroperoxide is treated with dilute acid to get phenol and acetone. Okay, and then acetone is also an important byproduct in this reaction. Okay, so phenol preparation from cumin. So two important product are obtained. So first one product phenol, then second one product acetone. So two product are important. Okay, so acetone is also an byproduct in this reaction. Okay, so 3 to 4 stages. First one, benzene is heated with a propene at a 523 Kelvin in a closed vessel in the presence of phosphoric acid. So H3PO4 catalyst. Okay, so H3PO4 acts as a catalyst in this reaction, gives cumin isopropyl benzene. Then isopropyl benzene oxidized on passing air to a mixture of cumin and 5% aqueous solution of sodium carbonate gives cumin hydroperoxide. Then the cumin hydroperoxide is treated with the dilute acid. We get a phenol and acetone. In this reaction, acetone as an important byproduct in this reaction. Right. Now discuss equation for this reaction. Benzene treated with the propene in the presence of catalyst H3PO4 at 523 Kelvin gives cumin or isopropyl benzene. Isopropyl benzene. Then isopropyl benzene oxidize on air, passing air, and a mixture of cumin with 5% aqueous solution of sodium carbonate gives cumin hydroperoxide. Cumin hydroperoxide. Okay, so in this reaction, this double bond attack this position. So benzene molecular formula C6H6. Okay, each carbon contain one hydrogen. Okay, then this hydrogen shifted to this carbon. Okay, so benzene ring. Okay, so this central carbon. Okay, center carbon is directly attached to benzene ring. Okay, so benzene ring, carbon CH3 CH3H. Okay, so isopropyl benzene or cumene. Okay, so on passing air with a mixture of cumene and a 5% solution of aqueous sodium hydroxide gives cumene nitroperoxide, right? So H2O2 hydrogen peroxide, one hydrogen is replaced to this aryl group. Okay, so cumene hydroperoxide, name cumene hydroperoxide. Then cumene hydroperoxide acidified with mineral acid gives phenol and a dimethyl ketone. Okay, so a mixture of product of paired, first phenol, second one acetone or dimethyl ketone. Okay, so dimethyl ketone as an important byproduct in this reaction. Thank you students, see you next class.